Hello everybody and welcome to Thailand. So for the most part this morning we have been exploring to the hot springs, which is what this is. Like this is, wait, let me just, I'm probably not supposed to jump over this, but I'm gonna. This is a lot hotter than I expected it to be. Like that. It's really hot. It's like 50, yeah, it's 56 degrees Celsius. That's hot. We went to a waterfall earlier, so we saw a lot of the B-roll from. The waterfall, we didn't actually make it there in the end because it was a massive trek and there were so many bugs. We just decided to like scrap the idea and come to the hot springs. We don't really know what else to do for the day, so we're just pretty much gonna have a walk. The current city that we're in at the moment, the first city that we arrived in is Chiang Rai. There's not a huge amount to do around here. It's just like a first stop for us. The city that we're going to next is Chiang Mai. There's a lot more to do there. There's hikes. It's just a bit of a better place. We're gonna be spending 4 nights there, and we're all pretty pumped for that. The more that we move down to the south, the more excited we're gonna be because we're going to the full moon at the end of our trip, and the full moon just sounds so good. And also the south is super chilled, beachy, and that's kind of what we want. It's just going to be a good time. Okay, so before we get into the main bulk and inspiration of this video and the topic, I want to ask Leah a real quick question. What has been your favourite part of travelling so far? I'm intrigued.
I enjoy seeing the different types of cultures. I don't know, just seeing that people live a lot different lives than we do, and it's wild to see.
Yeah?
Like there's a different reality outside of our world, so I like that.
Nice. I think mine's pretty similar to that, to be honest. And the food, I really enjoy the different types of food. Wait, let's just, sorry, just for the people who enjoy ASMR, let's just, oh man. Oh, do you hear that sound? That is a nice sound. Let's do one more. So, the main topic of this video is going to be about inspiration, as you can clearly see from the title. It's a big thing with, can you even see me right now? Hold on. Okay, yeah, you can see me. We're talking about inspiration and where you draw your inspiration from / where you get it from. And it can be with anything, you know, your sport or your hobby or anything. Particularly mine at the moment is going to be about my hobby and passion of this, which is obviously videography, and where I'm kind of drawing that from at the moment. Now, when we started this trip, I kind of had no clue of how I wanted my videos to look and my photos and like the style I was going for. And as I kind of went on the journey, I've sort of figured it out. But recently I found someone on YouTube who I've drawn a lot of inspiration from, and I really enjoy the content of that they're currently creating, and you know, it's their style that they create. He goes by the name of Sean Kitchen. He's South African. His style of videos have just really inspired me to create more at the moment. The type of videos that he makes are pretty similar to what I'm doing, which is travel, beach, sun, kind of. It's a very broad category, but his style kind of really matches what we're doing at the moment. I just really enjoy his content. So a lot of what you're seeing from me, like the types of B-roll and the sections, are heavily inspired by him. Not copied, because that's a very different thing, but very much inspired, quite close. think you should definitely go and watch it if you like travel videos. I kind of guess what I'm trying to explain is, while I was in Vietnam and Cambodia, I was in a bit of a rut because I didn't know what I wanted to create. I didn't know how I wanted to create it. And I thought I had all these brilliant ideas, and I thought it would just kind of come to me. And I would just be this brilliant videographer and this great vlogger whilst traveling. Oh my God, there are so many bugs around. But the nasty truth is the fact that no, that wasn't the case. Like, I've actually had to work, and I've had to find my style, and I've had to go searching for a type of style that I like, so that I know what kind of content I would like to create. Let me just add something in here. I've had to find and force myself into creativity for this. In short, I think I would say, if you are struggling, if you are in a rut of inspiration, then just research what you do. And that is essentially what I've done. I've just searched for travel videos and the styles that I enjoy, and I found them. And it's really worked out for me, I think, because I really enjoy the content I'm creating. And if I'm enjoying the content I'm creating, then that is a massive bonus for me. And it makes me very, very happy to know that I enjoy what I create. Also, Sean, if you want to collaborate, hit me up, because I want to come to South Africa and make videos, because that would just be dope. And photos. Anyway, we're going to get back on the sick whip. We've got an actually sick bike today. Like, matte green. The ting is popping. So this is the part of the video where I'm supposed to say something really, really inspiring to make you guys go out and do what you want to do and create, or whatever it is that you do. Just go and do it. Find your inspiration, find something that sparks the flame inside you to want to go and pursue your hobby or your passion, and just go and do it. If you want to like, if you want to comment, if you want to subscribe, I'd appreciate it. You don't have to, but that's been it from me. You know what to do, make every day count, and enjoy that. I'll see you in the next one. I'm blank as well, I've just gone blank. Keep. Good. I got nothing. What to say. You are a bit. Do you guys want to see a video of how I film my stuff? Would you be interested in that? Leave a comment for that. That's all I ask. Alright, anyway, bye.